Welcome back to our class. Today we are going to discuss about the general characters of the tetrapoda. Here tetra means four and poda means feet. They have four limbs. When they are compared in human beings, the four limbs, two limbs are forelimbs and two limbs are hind limbs. The two forelimbs is compared to two hands and two hind limbs are compared to two legs. Skin has been adopted suitable for land animals, and the respiration is through by lungs, excretion is by kidneys. These organisms are of two types. They are amniotes and anamniotes. What is the meaning of amniotes? The animals which are present on the land, they need to have the amniotic fluid. They are reptiles, aves and mammals. And anamniotes means in these organisms amniotic fluid is absent because as they live in the water they need not to have amniotic fluid. They are fishes and amphibians. Best example for the tetrapoda is the amphibians, that is frog. And amphibia means the organism will show their life in both the water and land. They are also poikilotherms and cold-blooded animals. That means poikilotherms means they can change their body and blood temperature according to their places. Body is divided into head and trunk, neck is absent, and these animals show locomotion, that is movement by two pairs of limbs. Locomotion is by two pairs of limbs and skin is moist containing glands. Scaleless skin present except Sicilians. In Sicilians, there are no limbs and scales are present under the skin. This is the speciality of the Sicilians.
Respiration in amphibians is by three types. That is, when frog is in adult stage, it shows lung respiration, that is pulmonary respiration, skin respiration, that is cutaneous respiration, and also buccopharyngeal cavity also helps in respiration. In tadpole larva, that is tadpole larva is the frog larva, it shows gill respiration. And in amphibians, the heart is three-chambered heart. Two atria is present and one ventricle at posterior side. Two atria are anterior side and heart pumps mixed blood to body parts. Two atria deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood. Both the type of blood is mixed in ventricle and it is pumped to all the parts of the body in amphibians. Excretion is by kidneys and excreted products are ammonia is a waste product, whereas in toads urea is the waste. It requires less water for elimination. And then sense organs are eyes and eyelids are the sense organs. External ear is absent but ear represented by tympanum. Fertilization. Here these organisms are sexes are separate, that is male organisms also present, female organisms are present. External fertilization. These are oviparous. Oviparous means it lays eggs. Indirect development, that means in the frog development there is a tadpole larva is present, the life cycle is indirect. Example, buttotoad. Buttotoad, the skin is brown in color, whereas frog's green skin is present. And salamander, ichthyophis is also amphibians.